Hello, hi, welcome to Bloom Art by SW, or welcome back. I'm Shanaz. Some people call me Shaz, but I really don't mind. So I wanted to show you how you can transfer any image onto watercolour paper. So I've printed out a daffodil and I've printed it out in black and white. That wasn't the plan. I had just run out of ink. So that's why. You can print it out with colour or without colour, it's fine. The important thing is the outline that you need. So first of all, like I'm doing here, get a soft pencil, outline the bits that you want to transfer onto watercolour paper. It does need to be a soft pencil. You'll see why. I'll explain it, but you'll see why in a moment. I'm using a 6B pencil, but like I say, any soft pencil will do. And I'm just going over the outlines here. And oh yeah, if you do like what you're watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't have an exact schedule of when I upload things. But yeah, it might be useful to subscribe, then you'll get a little notification of when I have uploaded something. I will be painting this daffodil next as well. So I've just sped this bit up. Okay, so when you've done the bits that you've outlined, then what you do is you turn the paper over. Or let me just do these few bits. So give me 1 second. There we go. Then turn the page over. For some reason, I've taped this down. I think I was going to do something else, but I just held the paper in place. And then you're going to use the side of your pencil and basically do this. I've sped it up. Please don't do it this quick. I've just sped it up just to make the video a bit quicker. But basically, you're doing this. You're sort of using your pencil over the lines of where you've drawn the outline. It's probably easier to do it all over unless you know where the outline is, but it's best to do it all over the picture that you've just drawn the outline of. Hope that makes sense. So yeah, I've sped this up. And then when you've done that bit, turn it over, get your watercolour paper that you want the picture, the outline of the picture to go on. Tape this bit down. Just use a bit of artist masking tape just to hold the paper down. And then what you're going to do is go over it again. I will speed this up in a second for you as well. I've sped it up, but like I say, just take your time on it. You don't have to rush. But what you're going to do is go over the outline again like this. And then you'll see in a second why it needs to be, ideally, a soft pencil. Because when you turn the page over, when you look underneath, the graphite has drawn onto the watercolour paper. Or the graphite has made the mark onto the watercolour paper. So just go over everything. And there we go. Again, I've sped this up, so don't feel like you have to do this at this speed. I haven't sped it up too much. I just wanted to show you exactly how to do it. And then the last few bits. And you can do this with any picture. Print it off. Put the outline onto the onto what you want to draw, and then just transfer it onto watercolour paper. Take your picture off, and then you should have a really good picture or an outline of a picture. Just go over the bits that haven't quite transferred over, but it should make it a lot easier for you. And then just go over the few little bits that haven't quite joined up, or you can add some extra bits as well. I wasn't going to add this bit in, but I've added it in. But I hope that helps. I hope that's shown you exactly how you can transfer any image onto your watercolour paper. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.